number 2 is asking us to prove the power rule. So kind of similar to the proof for number 1, I'm going to let x equal log base A of capital A. And just like with the other one, I'm going to transform this. So if I transform, then this will be A raised to the x is equal to A. Okay, so if you look back at the power rule, it has to deal with an exponent of c. So I'm going to introduce c here. If we raise both sides to c, then this will be a to the x raised to c is equal to a raised to c. Now, power to power means that you are multiplying exponents. So this is going to be a raised to cx is equal to a raised to c. Then we want to transform this back. And if we do that, then we're going to get log base A of capital A to the c is equal to cx. And then our last step is going to be to replace the x. So just like in the previous proof, I want to replace the x back with the original definition that I had at the beginning. So log base A of A to the c is equal to c, and then instead of x, I'm going to write it as log base A of A. And this would be the product rule, or sorry, the power rule.